Hello, hello, good morning everybody. How are you today? I hope you feel good. Espero que se sientan very, very good. How do you feel this morning? Good, 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 very, very good. Excellent. Now we're going to have a very, very special class today. The outside is sunny day. Afuera está haciendo un very beautiful day. Okay. And I'm feel very happy. How do you feel? ¿Cómo se sienten mis niños? Excellent, very good. Now let's just have a little talk. Let's do it before we start the class. Let's do a little exercise. A ver, antes de empezar la clase, se ponen de pie, stand up. Okay, move your arms. Mueva sus manitos. Move your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move forward, move back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mueve el percuito, move your body, move your body. Okay, very good. Ya se fue la pereza. Okay, now it's time to work. Vamos a trabajar. Vamos a recordar una cancioncita, ¿se acuerdan? Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All the children want to play. Rain, 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 go away. Very good. Now today is sunshine, mire. Today is sunshine, mire. Este día está soleado, sunshine. It's not raining, no está lloviendo, not raining. Sunshine, está soleado. Okay, very good. Remember, practice the song Rain, Rain, Go Away. Practicar la canción Rain, Rain, Go Away. Okay, now let's go back to the class. What we're going to do is we're going to work in the page 61. Vamos a trabajar en la página 61, en la página 61 de nuestro libro. 61, ¿ok? 61, ok. En the page 61 dice, déjeme un ratito, me pongo page 61 para leer bien, si no, no puedo leer. En 61, in the page 61 we have, listen, page 61 of the student book, página 61 del libro del estudiante. 61 student book. Dice, listen and write. Escuche y escriba. Escuche y escriba. Dice, Fido, Robbie, Fluffy, Spike, Polly, Rosie, Waldo, Greta, Robin. Ok, Fido, Robbie, Fluffy. Vamos a repetir. Repeat after me. Repita después de mí. Fido, Robbie, Fluffy, Spike, Polly, Rosie, Waldo, Greta, and Robin. Now it's okay. This you can choose any names. You can put any names that you like. Tiene que ponerle a cada animalito, ponga el nombre que más le guste a usted. Ponga el nombre que más le guste a usted. Sí, póngale el nombre que más le guste a usted. Póngale. For example, the number one is Fido. Number one, Fido. Vea, number one, Fido. Se llama Fido. What you can do is put the names of the pets, whatever you want. Póngale el nombre póngale el nombre de los animalitos, el nombre que usted quiera, ¿ok? La respuesta puede variar. Put the name, ¿ok? Trabaje, por favor, put the name, trabaje. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. Póngale esos los nombres. Ok. After you have the names, después que ya puso los nombres, vamos a ver which one is your pet. La actividad de abajo, vamos a ver la actividad de abajo. Which one is your pet? ¿Cuál es tu mascota? Do you have pet? Yes, I do. Sí, yo tengo. Mire, vamos a preguntarle a Timmy. A ver, Timmy, do you have pet? Timmy, okay, Timmy, how you doing, Timmy? Hi, how are you? Fine, teacher. Timmy, do you have pet? Yes, teacher. What kind of pet? ¿Qué clase tiene usted? A dog. A dog, very good. So, do you have pet? Yes, I do. What color is it? It's black, brown. Does it have tiene unas, does it have whiskers? ¿Tiene barbas? Yes. No, it doesn't. No las tiene. It is brown. Yes, it is. What's his name? It's Floppy, for example. Okay. Now this is just something about the animal. For example, check how I can talk with Timmy. Hi Timmy, do you have pets? Yes, teacher. What is the name of your pet? It's Floppy. What color is your pet? It's brown. Very good. You see, this is just a simple interacting action with with somebody. Esto es solamente una interacción con alguien. Le pregunta, sí, le contesta. Okay, what color is your pet? It's yellow. Very good. What's his name? It's Floppy. Very good. Excellent. Now, okay, Timmy, let's wait over here. Now remember that is what you have to do is just put the names of the pets in activity number 1. Puede poner los nombres de la actividad, activity number 1. Okay? Now, okay, that is what is important about the pets are that pets have different parts. Como les decía, los pets sus mascotas tienen diferentes partes, different parts, okay? They have, remember, they have teeth, they have whiskers, they have paws, tienen paws, whisker, paws, tienen animals, tienen paws, you see, las barbitas que les salen aquí los animales, whisker, paws, they have arms, tienen brazos como nosotros, legs also, okay? Yes? Now, remember to practice that song about the rain. Rain, rain, go away. Don't forget to practice all the songs. Okay, for homework, para el deber, solamente tiene que write the names, solamente escriba los nombrecitos de los animals en nada más. Eso es todo. No tienen homeworks ahora, no les voy a mandar ningún homework. Solamente practice this conversation. Solamente practique esta conversación. Solo practique, ¿sí? Practique. Por ejemplo, dice, do you have a pet? ¿Tienes tú una mascota? Yes, I do. Sí, yo lo tengo. O también, no, I don't. No, no la tengo. ¿Ok? What color is it? ¿Qué color es esta? What color is it? Let's suppose that this is my pet. Vamos a suponer que this is my pet. What color is my pet? My pet is yellow, orange, and white. What's his name? ¿Cuál es su nombre? It's Doggy. His name is Doggy. Okay? Does it have a beak? ¿Tiene un pico? Yes, it does. Okay? Now, this is the way that you have to practice at home. Practice at home, okay? I don't send you homework. No les mando el homework. Solo fill it up, llene with the names, and practice this little conversation down here. Y practique, llene los nombres y practique la pequeña conversación. Vamos a despedirnos con goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. See you soon. See you soon. Thank you for the class. Thank you for the class. See you soon. See you soon. Okay. Thank you very much for today's class. Y esta ha sido la clase del día de hoy. Okay. Goodbye. Until next class. God bless you. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Bye.